For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a junk shop business is a practical and affordable venture for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to make money while contributing to environmental sustainability. A junk shop buys, sorts, and resells scrap materials such as metal, paper, plastic, and electronics. With the help of free AI tools, you can significantly reduce startup costs, automate planning, and streamline operations. This guide walks you step by step through the process of launching your own junk shop using artificial intelligence to your advantage. Step 1. Research the junk shop industry in your local market. Begin by understanding what materials are in demand in your area, the typical buying prices for scrap, and local regulations. Use ChatGPT to help you with initial industry research. This tool can summarize market trends, legal requirements, and key insights. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. Explain how the junk shop industry works in your country or region. What items are most profitable to buy and sell? Also, use Google Bard or Perplexity AI to gather real-time info and local policies by asking, what are the licensing requirements to operate a junk shop in your city/state? Step 2. Create a junk shop business plan using AI. Next, you'll need a clear plan to understand your goals, capital requirements, pricing, and operations. ChatGPT can help you generate a customized business plan based on your input. Prompt to use in ChatGPT. Write a simple business plan for a junk shop business that buys scrap metal, paper, and plastic from households and sells them to recyclers. Include startup cost estimate, revenue streams, and risk factors. You can also use Notion AI to structure and store your business plan using its template system and note organization features. Step 3. Name your business and design a logo with AI. A catchy and clear name makes your business more memorable. Use Namelix to generate name ideas based on keywords like junk, scrap, or eco. Once you have a name, use Canva's free AI-powered logo generator to create your brand identity. Prompt for Namelix. Generate unique, brandable names for a junk shop that focuses on recycling and sustainability. Prompt for Canva. Design a simple logo for a local junk shop business named your business name that buys and sells recyclable waste. Step 4. Register your business and secure permits. Use ChatGPT to guide you through the legal process by summarizing the steps you need to take based on your location. Prompt for ChatGPT. List all the permits and registrations needed to open a junk shop in your country/state, including waste handling licenses and business registration. You can also visit your local government's website and ask ChatGPT to interpret complex legal jargon or documents you find there. Step 5. Find a good location and set up your shop. Look for a spot that's accessible to both customers and recycling partners, preferably with ample space to sort and store materials. Use Google Maps to identify industrial zones or locations near recycling facilities. Once chosen, use AI tools like RoomGPT to visualize how to organize your junk shop layout effectively. Prompt for RoomGPT. Generate layout ideas for a small-scale junk shop that includes a sorting area, weighing station, and storage zone. Step 6. Source equipment and supplies. You will need weighing scales, sorting bins, carts, protective gear, and a small truck or tricycle for pickups. To get a budget estimate, use ChatGPT to list typical equipment for a junk shop. Prompt for ChatGPT. List all the basic equipment needed to start a junk shop and the average cost of each item in USD. Use image generation tools like Leonardo AI or Playground AI to visualize your setup or promotional photos. Step 7. Set competitive buying and selling prices. Knowing your margins is essential. Use ChatGPT to calculate potential profits by inputting sample pricing data. Prompt. If I buy 1 kilogram of scrap metal at 20 cents and sell it to recyclers at 40 cents, what is my profit margin? Include example calculations for 10 kilograms, 50 kilograms, and 100 kilograms. You can also ask, how should I price different types of recyclable materials to stay competitive in your region? Step 8. Use AI to create marketing and branding materials. Marketing is key to attracting customers who want to sell junk or buy recycled items. Use ChatGPT and Canva to generate promotional content. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a marketing plan for a junk shop that wants to attract both local households and small businesses as suppliers of recyclable materials. Prompt for Canva. Design a flyer for a junk shop that buys metal, plastic, and electronics. Include contact info and list of accepted items. You can also use CapCut's free AI tools to make short promotional videos for social media and post them on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Step 9. Track inventory and daily operations with free AI tools. To keep track of materials, use Notion or Google Sheets with AI integration to manage inventory and daily transactions. You can automate basic records with Google Sheets' built-in AI-based Explore feature. Prompt. Create a Google Sheets template to track incoming junk items, quantity, price paid, and resale price. You can also ask ChatGPT. Design a simple daily reporting template for a junk shop that records total purchases, total sales, and customer visits. Step 10. Partner with local recyclers and build a network. Use AI to draft partnership proposals for recyclers and local businesses. Prompt. Write a sample email proposal to a recycling company introducing my junk shop and offering a steady supply of sorted recyclable materials. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you prepare talking points for cold calls or visits to potential partners. Step 11. Offer pickup services using AI scheduling. Once you've established operations, consider offering pickup services for households and businesses. Use tools like Calendly or TidyCal with AI scheduling to automate bookings. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a customer message template offering junk pickup services for free or for a small fee. Include scheduling and contact info. Conclusion. Starting a junk shop business doesn't require a huge investment, but it does demand careful planning and execution. Free AI tools can assist you from start to finish, whether researching the market, writing a business plan, creating marketing materials, or managing daily operations. The key is to combine local knowledge with the efficiency of AI to run a profitable, scalable, and eco-friendly business. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.